had a very busy year here at Hughes, working with Eutelsat on the development of a wide array of new products that we're very, very excited to announce. So my right here is our new heated ESA. The heater allows it to melt snow and ice in very, very cold conditions. Behind me is a ruggedized portable terminal that could be transported, so it pops up. The ESA from Hughes is integrated into it, so a customer can take that very quickly to get LEO connectivity service.
From Hughes EchoStar perspective, we have our customers in government, enterprise, and consumers, and we have a variety of applications, technologies. We make sure that our managed solutions can take care of your needs no matter where you are. So we believe in serving customers anywhere, anytime, any place. We can connect them.
Today, we're very excited to make a press release on a new upgrade to our HM400 product, where we're incorporating AI capabilities into that product to provide greater level of orchestration between satellite constellations as well as satellite beams.
So the other development that we're very excited about is our new Hughes for LEO for Rail solution. So there's been some announcements this week about Eutelsat and Hughes stepping forward into the rail market, and we're very excited about our new rail terminal for the railroad industry that will support both passenger and freight.
It's been a great week. We announced over 600 GoGo terminals delivered to date. We also shared that we've made a lot of progress with our Delta Airlines partner customer. We're flying on many of their jets. Our systems are working optimally, and we're really excited to roll out the Fusion system very soon for them on their 717s.